Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So it's been a minute since I've made a video. I know it's been busy, and I do know that I owe you several videos and they will come in time. Today I'm gonna go ahead and try to get this video done before I head off to physical therapy. So yeah, this was a total surprise. It's come from our friend Shabby Pink House. Hi Christine, certainly surprised me. So let's go ahead and take a look, and I wonder if I could just go ahead, yes I can, take this whole thing out perhaps. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Stand up here and just kind of like, oh I'm so sorry. Okay, let me go ahead and get that out. And the way she packaged it, there's sprinkles and everything on there. I'm sorry, I dropped this one thing. Oh my goodness, look at this, so cute. The one thing about having one of my nerves in my vocal cord severed is that I can make certain sounds that make my dog go, you know, he tilts his head back and forth like, what kind of sound is that, mama? So, oh my gosh, look at this, so cute. I absolutely love this. It's a little baggie like so. Excuse me. And of course, she did use watercolor paper. As a matter of fact, Shabby Pink House is the one who I learned the watercolor paper trick from. Yep, and ever since she mentioned it in one of her videos a long time ago, that's what I've been using ever since. Yeah, because these do maintain their shape and everything. They don't get destroyed in transit or anything like that. Hang on a second. I think I'm going to need to fix this. I'm sorry, y'all, because it looked like it was about to fall. I hope that is better. Okay, look at it. It's so cute. I just love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. And this looks like a Minte paper. I love it. And over here, what? Pumpkin apple. I love everything pumpkin. Making those sounds again. So let's look at this. Oh my gosh, this smells so heavenly. It smells, I love all the pumpkin smells and everything that comes out this time of year. I gotta head over to Bath and Body Works so I can stock up. Oh my gosh, I'm like, I wish you could smell what I'm smelling right now. I wish there was smell-o-vision. I don't know. Who knows? Maybe in a few years there will be, you know. I'm already trying to sign up for the robot that's coming out in a couple of years. You know, and when my husband tells me, he asked me, so what do you want, a new car or a robot? I said, give me that robot, please. I need something to do everything around the house for me, plus drive my son to wherever he needs to go to for his therapies and everything. Oh my gosh, this is so good. Thank you, Christine. What else do we have on in here? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, oh my gosh. She has the cutest little packaging, you know, and I still have one of Christine's packages. Hang on, I was looking at it the other day. And of course, today I'm not going to be able to find it. No, look, look, Christine, this is from the last time you sent something. I do believe it was from Christine. I don't know. I'm sorry if it wasn't from you and from somebody else, but I still have this. It's so cute. I haven't used it. Oh, look at these. These are beads. Oh my gosh, they're beads. So I can use them because she knows how much I love to bead stuff. Are these erasers? It feels like an eraser. So they're silicone beads. I love them. Oops. Don't want to lose any. Thank you so much, honey. I absolutely love this. Look, here's how she used it in one of these. I absolutely love. I gotta check the camera to make sure that I'm in frame. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, and look at all this goodies. All this beautiful goodies. So let me go ahead and get this out of the way. Okay, excuse me, I need a drink. Got some lemonade going on here. Oh my gosh! Yeah, that was me screaming. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. Look at everything that she... Oh my gosh, I just love it. Oh my gosh. I watched a video that she had put up not so long ago, maybe a week ago or so. Maybe not even a week, I don't remember, where she showed these and I was like, oh my gosh, everything is so pretty and look how she made this. I need this dye in my life. I do, because I want to be able to make something like this to send it to my team. This is so super uber cute. Oh my goodness. Okay. And she used my paper parfum to do this. That's so cute. And you can see that she edged around the edges, probably like a vanilla type of thing, because it's not too dark. I love it. It's just right. And of course, her shabby chicness. And she always sends me a brand new card. And I'm like, they are too beautiful to give away. Oh my goodness, look at this shabby deliciousness. Oh my gosh, look at it here. Let me hold it like this way so you can see the entirety. And once again, she used parfum. And over here, what does she say? What does she say? Let's see if I can go ahead and read this. Oh, hi Sandy, happy belated birthday. Hang on a second, what month is this? October. So May, June, July. I guess October. Thank you, Christine. May God continue to bless you with good health and many blessings. Praying for you. Always love you, Christine Shabby Pink House. P.S. Please feel free to share, pass along, or use as a giveaway. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you so much, Christine. Love you, girl. Oh my gosh, this is so absolutely gorgeous. And see, she used watercolor paper, and she always does this. I love how she puts that made with love. I need to get me some of these. And I think I've seen these at Temu. I think. And this is so lovely. Look at that. Happy birthday. I love it. Oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. And over here, oh my goodness. Okay. Oh my. It's a die set. And I've seen this and I was iffy. Do I buy it or do I not? And I'm glad she got it for me. Thank you so much. And so, yeah, this is perfect for Christmas, y'all. I am going to go ahead and use this. Let me get one of my magnetic sheets. I buy these like by the 50s. Okay, I get mine from Amazon. Once I did a haul on Temu for these, and to be honest with you, and I tried them out and everything, but I'm not crazy about them. These are more magnetic. The magnet is strong in these that you get at Amazon, because the ones from Temu, they kind of like fall off if you move it around too much. These, they stay. See? They stay. So that's a tip for you if anybody's interested in doing something like that. Oh, this is a coffee gripper thingamajig.